guys, so this morning I'm working on my trampoline. As you can see, it's missing the foam that comes with it because it's older, and we're probably gonna buy a new trampoline by next year. But for this year I decided to buy a whole bunch of pool noodles because they're super cheap, and the new tarp for the trampoline is like $200-300. Oh, maybe not that much. I think it's like $150-200. Well, I mean, $1.25 for these pool noodles is a lot cheaper. And I've already started, as you guys could see, but I started cutting them. I got the idea from a friend on Facebook this summer. I don't remember who, but shout out to whoever did that and posted about it. She did multiple colors. I decided to do all the same color because of my, OCD. So basically I've just been cutting them to length, and then the springs fit perfectly in it. So I cut them a little longer than the actual springs so they cover the hooks. And yeah, it seems to be doing a good job. So let's get them all done all around and see how it turns out. And then later when the kids come back from school, we'll check it out if they like it. So basically I just put the pool noodle cut at length on each one of them, and as you can see, it fits perfectly in there. Now I cut a little longer just because obviously it's a spring, it stretches, so it's a little harder to get it going. Ugh. But it covers them all. I just ran out of foam, but this is how I do them, and it looks pretty cool. There you have it, guys. This is just a little temporary fix to my trampoline. As you guys can see, it looks really sharp. I ran out. I have a few springs still that needs to be covered. As you can see over here, there's just a few missing, so probably just one pool noodle or two is going to be more than plenty. Now I didn't notice too much on how many noodles I need per spring. Let me count them and I'll let you guys know. So there you have it, guys. I have all the pool noodles cut and going. There's a few down here that I ran out. So you figure about one poodle per 6 springs approximately. So figure it for 5 and then you'll have extra. Obviously I didn't figure it out. I just bought 8 pool noodles. Never really calculated. So that was pretty good. So there you have it. So that's my temporary fix until we get a new trampoline, because obviously we have a few springs missing, as you can see. Whoop. Click and subscribe if you guys want more of Jack of all adventures. We have the puppers over here, 2 out of 3. We have a lot more contents coming up. We'd like to have some fun stuff on the channel just for funs, just like this one. All right, see you next time.